The smartphone formula has been predictable. Every autumn, we get a slightly faster chip, a slightly sharper camera, and maybe a new color. But the whispers coming out of the Asian supply chains right now reveal that the iPhone 18 Pro Max is not a standard update. It is a radical, multi-billion-dollar gamble designed to completely alter how humans interact with handheld technology. Apple knows that consumers are holding on to their phones longer than ever before. To force people to upgrade, they couldn't just build a better phone. They had to build something that feels like it dropped out of a science fiction movie. To understand the sheer scale of what Apple is attempting, we have to look closely at the beating heart of this machine. The A20 Pro silicon chip. For the past few generations, chip manufacturing has been stuck on what engineers call a 3-nanometer process. It's a scale so small that you can fit millions of transistors onto a single grain of rice. But for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is aiming for something historic. The world's first mass-produced 2-nanometer chip architecture, built in exclusive partnership with TSMC. This isn't just a technical milestone, it is a monumental engineering nightmare. At 2 nanometers, electrons begin to misbehave. They can spontaneously jump across barriers due to a bizarre physical phenomenon called quantum tunneling. If an electron jumps where it shouldn't, the chip short-circuits, overheats, and dies. Apple has reportedly spent billions of dollars rewriting the software and changing the physical pathways of the chip, just to keep these electrons under control. The result of this insane effort is a processor that is predicted to be 40% more power efficient and significantly faster than anything currently on the market. It is a desktop-grade supercomputer that sits directly in your pocket, drawing less power than a small LED light bulb. But raw processing power means nothing if the phone looks exactly like the one you already own. Apple's design teams knew they needed a visual breakthrough, and the biggest secret of the iPhone 18 Pro Max lies in its display architecture. For years, users have complained about the dynamic island, that pill-shaped cutout at the top of the screen that houses the front camera and Face ID sensors. It was a clever software trick to hide a physical hole, but it was always a compromise. With the 18 Pro Max, Apple is finally attempting to execute the holy grail of modern design. A completely seamless, zero-compromise under-display Face ID system. The engineering behind this is mind-boggling. To make Face ID work through a solid piece of glass, Apple had to develop a microscopic, translucent display panel directly above the sensors. When you're looking at the screen, the pixels fire normally, showing you a flawless, unbroken image from edge to edge. But the exact millisecond you glance at your phone to unlock it, those specific pixels instantly turn completely transparent, allowing the infrared laser matrix to blast through the screen, read your face, and lock the system back down. It happens so fast that the human eye cannot perceive it. The dynamic island is dead. In its place is a pure, uninterrupted sheet of hyper-responsive glass. This complete redesign of the front panel opens the door for the true centerpiece of the iPhone 18 Pro Max experience. The next evolution of Apple intelligence. Up until now, artificial intelligence on smartphones has felt like a novelty, a tool to summarize emails or erase background objects from photos. But with the combination of the 2-nanometer